My name's Art Vanden Enden. I am the retail chair of the Garden Centre Sector Group with Landscape Ontario. Recently, I retired from a 44-year career in working in retail garden centres in Ontario. So I started very young and I got the garden bug early. I still have the passion for this business, and I love it when people get excited about their business and their success and seeing their businesses grow. Retail and garden centers go hand in hand, and what I would like to be able to share is different approaches to being successful as an employee, but also to share some of my knowledge on running a successful garden center business. To be successful in a garden center, you need to like plants, but love people. What we need to do is make sure that when people start gardening, that they're successful and that they get to enjoy the rewards of their effort. Get people excited about small things, and then they will become more intrigued with gardening, and they will become passionate long-term gardeners. Gardens are for today, but they're also for the future. I think that there's a whole generation of young people that are going to take this, far beyond houseplants and certainly take us into the next decades going forward. I'm optimistic for sure.